welcome back to another vlog. I am starting the vlog. Marvel is here. We have 8 days to go till Tanya's due date, and we have our doctor's appointment today. 39-week doctor appointment basically. So she's almost at 39 weeks, like minus 1 day. So we have 8 more days to go. She was having a very bad headache since last night, so I gave her some medication last night to sleep through, and she's feeling a lot better, but she still have a little bit of, you know, that headache. So I'm just taking Marvel for a quick walk, and I'll get back to work. You done eating food? Come on, come. Good boy. Are you done? Oh, bless you. Oh my god, that's a big burp. Do your tummy is full? So the weather is so beautiful. I let Marvel go in the backyard today after a very long time. I have no idea what I was thinking, but I am wearing half sleeves and the temperature is 42 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty much 5 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna go put on something, but I'm actually hoping that Marvel gets done quickly so I can just take him inside and not be here. Done with Marvel's stuff. He is all set for the day. I have filled my water and I am heading upstairs for work. We are ready to go for today's checkup, but one more thing I'm doing is, so I cleaned up the car and it is shining as new. I waxed it, polished it, cleaned it, converted the back here, and I'm gonna have our hospital bags in the car from today.
I think you cleaned your car so nicely, because normally when I keep the bottle, it stays there, but it's just sliding right now.
Yes, I polished and waxed it. Like, you can see the reflection of the light and see how like shiny it is. So I love it. Yep. So we have our hospital bags ready. They're gonna stay in the car just any day. So she's feeling better now. She is finally she does not have any pain. And hospital is basically 10 minutes away from our place, so we are just heading there for today's checkup, and we will update you guys. Alright, so we are here, and as usual, typical me, we are 15 minutes early, so we are vlogging from the car. So like I said, we are almost ready to, but we have to run a few errands today or tomorrow, and she is craving fried chicken. So on our way back, we are gonna pick from where? H-Mart. So we are gonna pick some fried chicken. We are here at the hospital. In 5 minutes we'll go inside. So I'm gonna call my mom, because she has been calling us, must be wondering where we are. If we don't pick one of these days, they are gonna freak out. They're like, oh my god, did she go into labor? You know, so like it's that freak out period going on for our parents, so we like call them every single day. We normally call them every single day, but like these days we are super extra. So I'm gonna call her real quick before we go inside and let them know we are at the doctor's place, so that's why we can't talk right now.
Let me show you my t-shirt top today. It says, Alexa, make me skinny.
I will post her picture somewhere here so you can see it nicely, but you can also go check out on our Instagram some of the latest posts that and reels she has been doing. So anyways, we're gonna go in, we're gonna come back and then give you an update from our today's doctor's visit. Alright guys, so we just got done with our appointment, and I had a little bit of elevated BP, which gave them a little scare, because you're not supposed to have it, but she had that because of the headache. And so I guess we have to go and get some more tests done just to rule out any possibilities. So we are just going all prepared to the hospital right now, and they are gonna do some blood work on her and run some tests and monitoring just to make sure everything is good, and then we're gonna come back. So I'm gonna try my very best to keep you guys posted, but for now we just came home to collect few things and then take a quick bite, and doctor already notified to the hospital, so they will be expecting us within an hour. So that's the plan. As you know, plans do not go as you expect them. So anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. for a quick bite here. Last night we made dal makhani and paneer, so we got some of that and some chicken wings that she wanted to have really bad. So we're gonna enjoy the food and head over to the hospital. Alright guys, so we are on our way to the hospital and I'm gonna keep you guys posted what's going on. I know I'm just doing these small clips as much I can, but I'll keep you guys posted once we find out what's going on. Okay, we are at the hospital right now and we are just going in, and I believe doctor has already notified the staff here that we are coming in. Tanya is actually changing up into the hospital gown, and she has a urine culture to be done, so she's peeing and changing, and doctor is gonna come and check up. Okay, so Tanya is actually hooked to a bunch of machines which are monitoring her right now, and according to doctor it's not gonna be anything, but they are gonna do the lab results to be sure, because she's at full term, so we just don't know. So we are gonna be here for a while. How are you feeling?
Very normal.
So well, it's good that she's feeling normal. Yeah. So anyways, we'll keep you guys posted. Tanya is trying to play something on the TV, and she's fascinated by the remote right now. Look at her.
The remote has a speaker.
The room is really nice, of course, and we are gonna be here for a few hours because they are gonna draw blood and do the blood work, and then let us know what's going on. There's nothing to be scared of. It's just their normal procedure. They want to make sure that everything is fine, and once everything is done, I'm gonna explain you what happened today actually. So we are still here. Time is 1:45. Tanya is still under monitoring. She's right there. So far all good. Her blood pressure has dropped down. So let me just give you guys a quick update before we go home. Basically, this morning when we went for a regular checkup, her blood pressure was not normal. It spiked a little. So, and she had a headache last night. It was all night this morning, and it basically went away this morning around 9 o'clock. Like you guys saw, I told you this morning when I started the vlog. Those two conditions combined can be related to preeclampsia, and that's why doctor just wanted to rule out any issues. They are pretty confident it's nothing because her headache was gone. Normally if it's that condition, the headache does not go that easy no matter what you do. So the headache was gone and her blood pressure was still abnormal. That's why they wanted to monitor her for a few hours. So they sent us to the hospital. We had to rush to the hospital. So we had a quick meal, we came to the hospital, and now we are here. So they are gonna do the blood work, urine culture, and she is wearing fetal monitoring and her monitoring itself. So they're monitoring the baby and the mother right now just to make sure everything is good. Good thing, her blood pressure has dropped to normal and everything is going well, but like I said, they are just gonna make sure. So they are gonna keep her here for a little bit more. Time is 2:15 now. We just talked to the midwife. She took off all the machines. Tanya is no more hooked. Everything looks good. The last piece of the puzzle is blood work and urine culture. So they have taken the blood work and everything, and we are just waiting on the results. Once the results are out, we should be able to go back home. Okay, some final updates. 3:30 p.m. Everything looks good. We are finally getting back home. Baby is not coming today officially. We have been giving some instructions and stuff and a lot of details. But yes, at the end of the day, everything looks good. Yeah. We are going back home. And we have to monitor a few things. We have to keep a few things in mind, but everything is good. All the reports, lab work, everything looks good. So thank you everybody for watching this crazy vlog that gave us a little scare in the morning, but everything is good. No need to worry. The baby will come when he wants to come. And we are heading back home right now. Oh boy. There's the mama. So let's go home. I'm gonna end this vlog right here, right now, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Stay tuned for more updates, more information, because you never know when it's gonna happen. So anyways, guys, so stay safe, stay blessed. We are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye.